All right, special thanks to this company for sending us their hand grip strengtheners or hand exercisers. Nothing at all on the box. Let's just open it and show you. Ooh, I like the little bag it's in. Nice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's 6 in here. Okay, and that's it for the box. So my guess is each one of these is a slightly different strength. So let's take this one out. You can slide on the rubber grips, and you can see on the bottom, this one is 150 pounds. Wow. So yeah, I can use the 150 pounder. Let's see what other ones we have here. This one is same pink grips, look a little thicker though. This one says it's 350 pounds. Yeah, that's definitely a lot harder to squeeze. This one is 100 pounds. So like that one, yeah, I can really grab that one with no problem. This one over here this one is 300 pounds. So also a little bit harder. All right. And then this one is 250 pounds. All right. And then last but certainly not least, is this like a 50 pound? No, this one is a 200. So, all right, we have a 200, the 250, the 150, the 100, the 300, and the 350. So from 100 all the way up to 350 with 50-pound increments each time on the strength. So they do feel like great quality though, like any normal hand exerciser would be. I don't think they would break or anything like that. And also you can of course just slide these right onto here to have a little padded grip. So you do get all 6 of these with all 6 of the little carrying cases, but that should essentially do it for this video. Thanks to this company for sending us these hand exercisers. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next unboxing video. Deuces.